I knew I just couldn't take anymore. So I went to the fridge when it quieted down and opened myself up a beer. Soon I knew there was nothing left here I wanted to do. So I got me a pen and a paper addressed to whom it may concern. Said I had enough, I might see you maybe next year. Cause I'm off to the place where the sun don't shine, nobody's expecting me. Under the stars, far away from the cars, sharing some good company. Oh, I'm off to the place where the wind gently blows, but no one can tell me the time. Away from the world with my tropical girl, but nobody knows who I am. And nobody cares where I've been. And nobody knows if I'm home late at night and I can fall asleep with a grin. I got $2,300 to spend, so probably won't work for a while. I probably won't do much of nothing at all. And if it runs out, I guess I can do whatever it is I can find. As long as it doesn't matter, I don't mind. Cause I'm off to the place where the sun don't shines, but nobody's expecting me. Sit by the stars, far away from the cars, sharing some good company. Oh, I'm off to the place where the wind gently blows, but no one can tell me the time. Away from the world with my tropical girl, and nobody knows who I am. And nobody cares where I've been. And nobody knows if I'm home late at night and I can fall asleep with a grin. But think to myself as I finish my 5th drink of rum, this is exactly what it's cracked up to be. Sure, I felt just a little bit bad for the letter I left her at home, but the girls on my left and my right made it too hard to care. Cause I'm off to the place where the sun don't shine, but nobody's expecting me. Sit by the stars, far away from the cars, sharing some good company. Oh, I'm off to the place where the wind gently blows, no one can tell me the time. Away from the world with some tropical girl, where nobody knows who I am. And nobody cares where I've been. And nobody knows if I'm home late at night and I can fall asleep with a grin. Yeah, when nobody knows if I'm home late at night and I can fall asleep, I can fall asleep, oh, I can fall asleep with a grin. Woke up smiling, 'cause yesterday I found you, and I never saw you coming. The little voice inside my head said, Eric, pay attention, don't screw this one up, 'cause that girl's something. Oh, the way you look at me, just like you've known me my whole life. I get uneasy sometimes, 'cause I know what I've been missing. We've got nothing but time. She said, Eric, you'll always be there with me, even 3,000 miles across the sea. And I think of you no matter where you are. And if the sun comes up and I'm not there, I'll be right beside you on a wing and a prayer. You'll always be a rock star to me. Every time I close my eyes, I think of you. The way you smile at me when you're laughing makes me want to reach out and pull you nearer to me. You came along at the right time. Where have you been my whole life? 'Cause I've only known you for a short time, and everything is alright. She said, Eric, you'll always be there with me, even 3,000 miles across the sea. And I think of you no matter where you are. And if the sun comes up and I'm not there, I'll be right beside you on a wing and a prayer. You'll always be a rock star to me. It's not a real hard life in this North Pacific island, where every day is a holiday. And all those times when I thought there was something missing passed by my wayside yesterday. As I took a good look deep down inside, when I saw your face full of laughter, I knew I didn't ever want to be without you anymore. You're my last chance at happily ever after. She said, Eric, you'll always be there with me, even 3,000 miles across the sea. And I think of you no matter where you are. If the sun comes up and I'm not there, I'll be right beside you on a wing and a prayer. And you'll always be a rock star to me. And turns of the Pali Highway, my eyelids are drooping and my brain's filling up. I left the bright lights valley behind me, to the warmth of the sun and a place I call home. You take a left turn past the harbor down on Front Street, Past the cheeseburger shops, the lane girls, and the island bums. The boats are pulling at their moorings, but there's a charter in the morning. Oh, it's those little things that keep me coming home. But I wonder why we ever leave where we belong, with a duffel bag and a guitar and a song. Is it mindful intuitions or just senseless inhibitions? Oh, it's those little things that keep me coming home. Just a 5-day tour in North California, 8,800 miles all in all. Singing and dancing, a drunken hula, trying to make them smile one and all. And I'm tired as hell from another rest stop hotel, and tonight I'm spending the whole night in my van. I won't get there till morning, and sometimes it gets so boring. But it's those little things that keep me coming home. But I wonder why we ever leave where we belong, with a duffel bag and a guitar and a song. Is it mindful intuitions or just senseless inhibitions? Oh, it's those little things that keep me coming home. Just back-to-back bump, I-5 traffic. Yeah, and the airport's only 35 miles. Soon we'll be landing, a new life beginning. The warmth of the sun in my brand new home. You take a left turn past the harbor down on Front Street, past the cheeseburger shops, the lane girls, and the island bums. Our boats are pulling at their moorings, but there's a charter in the morning. Oh, it's those little things that keep me coming home. But you wonder why we ever leave where we belong, with a duffel bag and a guitar and a song. Is it mindful intuitions or just senseless inhibitions? Oh, it's those little things that keep me coming home. Yeah, you take a left turn past the harbor down on Front Street, past the cheeseburger shops, the lane girls, and the island bums. Our boats are pulling at their moorings, but there's a charter in the morning. Oh, it's those little things that keep me coming home. Oh, it's those little things that keep me coming home. Yeah, it's those little things that keep me coming home. Well, I can't describe how I'm feeling with this sand between my toes, the smell of the eucalyptus branches that floating past the water nose. Sometimes it's easy to forget just how good it feels to stay warm. I could be pumping gas and freezing my ass in some old town up in the north. And it's a 6:05 West Maui sunset on this semi-deserted beach. I got a bottle of beer, it's between my knees, and I got half the world about to reach. Well, the day's about gone, so mine, it's just not that hard to see. For that 605 West Maui sunset on this North Pacific Sea. Well, I can't remember feeling this groggy since I smoked half a bowl of my car, watching the clipper ships tacking, secretly dreaming I was becoming a star. And some girls don't like guys like me, but some guys don't like girls. If there's one thing I can't stand, it's things I don't like in this crazy mixed up Mad Max world. It's 6:05 West Maui sunset on this my deserted beach. I got a bottle of beer between my knees, and I got half the world about to reach. Well, the day's about gone, and so mine, it's just not that hard to see. This 6:05 West Maui sunset on this North Pacific Sea. Yeah, and that's how we do it on the islands. I know it may sound strange to you, we're all the same in this melting pot existence. Do we all do what we do like we do? 'Cause their way, that's all new to me too. Well, the sun is gone and I'm a grinning a big. I told you I'd make it here and grin. For the last 14 years I've been searching for love and drinking too much and living in sin. Is it an irony or a parody of somebody I pretend to be? Well, either way it works fine for me. I'll buy around for both to see. And it's 6:05 West Maui sunset on this semi-deserted beach. I got a bottle of beer between my knees, and I got half of the world about to reach. Well, the day's about gone, and so mine, it's just not that hard to see. From that 6:05 West Maui sunset on this North Pacific Sea. From this 6:05 West Maui sunset on this North Pacific Sea. That 6:05 West Maui sunset on this North Pacific Sea.
No.
I'm staying in some BML land down
BLM.
BLM in Carmel. There was a very long stream.
I was just gonna say. That's what that is, right?
Oh, wow.
Okay, so you can walk pretty much anywhere if you would like to. Just be careful.
I wasn't too sure when you're flying by the.
What's that?
You're flying pretty close to the
Yeah.
rock or whatever. I'm like, oh, I hope I'm not gonna.
Anyway, so yeah, usually we stay here like for half an hour, 30 minutes. We end up staying.
Honey,
What?
how much champagne did you have?
Not enough. See it.
Oh, really?